Hey guys, it's Kelly, and I haven't done a voiceover in a while, but let's just play it out. So I'm doing this makeup tutorial today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for more. And yeah, let's go with the video. First up, I'm taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer and priming my eyelids. Now going into my Makeup Forever eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this transition color and swiping it through my crease. Now I'm taking Wine and Dine from the Kylie Cosmetics purple palette and just brushing it all through my crease and sweeping it through my outer V. Pinning up the inner corner with concealer so then we can put a shimmer shade on top of it and it'll just really pop. Now I'm taking Periwinkle from the Kylie Cosmetics purple palette. I was going to use a brush, then I just decided to use my finger to really pack it on, and it just gives it a most gorgeous pop. Now I'm adding some of Wine and Dine onto my lower lash line. Moving on to eyeliner, I lost my favorite L'Oreal eyeliner, so this one was okay, but it wasn't really that good, so sorry that my eyeliner isn't that good today. But now I just popped in some lashes and I'm adding my 24 karat gold elixir to just moisturize and hydrate my skin underneath the foundation and makeup we'll be putting on over it. To prime my face even more, I'm taking my Absolute Flawless Face Primer, well what's left of it, and further priming my face. Now on the foundation, I'm taking the Estee Lauder Flash Illuminator. I am taking the Hard Candy Sheer Glow, the Too Faced Born Inside Foundation, and the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation, and I'm putting them all over my face just to be extra, because this is an extra AF makeup tutorial, so you know I had to do the Instagram way. I'm spritzing my beauty blender with some setting spray and blending everything out. Taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, which is my favorite, I am just concealing. Now the trick to contouring for an airbrush look is to use a cream contour, this is MAC, and then blend it out with a powder contour on an angled brush or a bronzer if you want to. Feel this gives such an airbrush look and it's just, oh, I love it. And I'm also baking my face. Right after I sweep away all the powder that we baked on our face at 400 degrees. Oh, yeah, I'm so obnoxious. I am now going to be using highlighter, of course, then popping on some Too Faced Melted Metallic onto my lips, and there you go. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!